Alright, what's up, YouTube? It's OG Laceface. I'm out here in the snow, Maryland. It's really snow. We're supposed to have like a foot or so of snow. I'm out here by myself because everybody trying to say it's cold, but I just don't see it. I just love it snow. But yeah, man, what's been happening last week? Y'all heard that new Meek Mill mixtape that came out on Spinrilla and all that? What's it called? 4-4. It only has 4 tracks, but he did a good job. Finally, he did a decent job. Dang, yo, this snow actually sort of cold. My hands getting cold. Yeah, he dropped that. I don't even know what happened last week. Been on these midterms. Man, 15-year-old sophomore striving for greatness, trying to flex on everybody. Watch, when I get a little scholarship for sports or something, academics or whatever, I'm gonna be starting to flexing on everybody. But yeah, I'm out here right now in the snow. Can't wait till tomorrow because I'm making endless money. You already know. I'm gonna have to be shoveling. I'm gonna be put to work. I'm gonna warm up. I'm going to work, Doug. Oh, there goes somebody right there. Who this? Who the fuck this is? I'm gonna run up on him real quick. Oh, sorry for that work, guys. Who's this? Yo, these some little kids on these snowboards. They lucky I'm only by myself. Cause what we do, where I'm from, run up on them and take it. But we don't take no snowboards. We go to my man's house. Need to shut up. Ooh. Phone's about to die, guys. I'm gonna make a part 2 to this. But yeah, I don't know if y'all, wherever y'all from, but hold up, wait till they pass by. Dang. Oh, that's my man's 410 Gotti. Said ONG. What's Baltimore if you don't know? Avenue 1500. Hey man, I don't know if y'all feel the same, but if y'all from Maryland, y'all know the state got a good vibe, like a great vibe. Dang, so deep. Yeah, the state got a great vibe, man. I love it out here. Born and raised in Baltimore City, Zone 22, Grove Park. And then moved out here to Law. I was like 7 or 8. I don't know, I got amnesia. I don't remember no damn years. Alright, pulling up my man's house real quick. Alright, y'all, my man's ain't answer. Even though he in the crib, I don't know what he doing. He probably geeking on that game. Oh yeah, another thing about me, I love games. PlayStation Nation. Oh no, he answered the door. Who that? Some little kids over there. Whoa. Haha, say hi to YouTube. You already know I'm ready to do it. Watch, I'm gonna be. Alright, y'all, I got your boy right here. It's my world, Kyle. But yeah, we out here in Maryland. I don't know if y'all feel it, but I got a certain love for Maryland. I'ma stay here. I'm gonna go to college, and I want to come back and live here and have 2 different houses. One in Maryland, one somewhere else on the East Coast. But yeah, it's pretty cool out here. It's not even cold like that for real. You just got to bundle up. I'm only wearing 2 jackets though, so I'm sort of chilly. So yeah, what was I already saying? Oh yeah, I'm a major gamer.